Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn about how to create a backlink for your website. Okay, so we will learn about how to create a backlink for your website. So what are the factors we have to consider while creating a website? We will learn here. Okay, so this is my blog, this is my website, and this is my blog. Okay, the keyword for this blog is what is SEO. The keyword for this blog is what is SEO is my keyword. Okay, I will make a note of it. So my keyword is what is SEO. Okay, so I'm going to do a backlink for this page. Okay, for this page I'm going to do a backlink. Okay, so this is my keyword. For this page I'm going to do a backlink. So I have selected the domains. So Medium is a website. I'm going to create a backlink. Okay, Medium is a kind of website where we can submit our articles. If it is a good article, surely they will approve our article to publish in their website. Okay, so we will see how to create a backlink in Medium. So get started. Okay, I have a Google. This is my email ID. My name is, okay, I will give my website name here, Digital Marketing Engineers. So this is my mail ID. While creating an account, it sometimes asks kind of topics I am interested in. Okay, it's a kind of creating a Facebook profile account only. While creating your Facebook account, it requires your email ID, it requires your phone number. Okay, it requires some other kind of informations to create a Facebook profile. Like that, in this website, in this domain, it also asks some kind of the topics which I actually interested in. Okay, that's it. So we have created the account here. We have created the account in medium.com. So this is my profile. Okay, so I'm just editing the profile here. So who we are? Free online digital marketing course. Okay. So my short bio is I am offering free online digital marketing course. Okay, so thank you. This is my profile icon. Okay, so now I'm going to publish an article in this website. Okay, so I already have a content here. What makes a good keyword? So this is my title. So what makes a good keyword in SEO? Okay, so I have a content. So this is my content. Here I am going to give a backlink for my website. Okay, so I am searching for my keyword. So I have given a keyword here. Okay, so now I just copy this link and then I hyperlink this word, this keyword. Okay, yeah, now this keyword is hyperlinked. So now these words are clickable. So when I click this link, it redirect to my website, it redirect to my digitalmarketingengineer.in website. So we have created a backlink. I am going to publish this content here. Okay, it also requires a tag. Keyword. Okay, I am going to publish this. Yeah. I am going to check whether that link is open in the window. Yeah, I have published the content. Okay. So in this article I got a backlink from this Medium website to my website. When I click this link, it redirect to my website. So this is called as backlink. Okay. This is how we have to create a backlink in different website. So similarly, I am also going to create a backlink in Quora. Okay. So I am going to create an account here. So like the previous website, it also has some kind of the topics which I am actually interested to read. That's it. So now I have created an account in Quora. Okay. So this is my profile in Quora. Okay. So I am going to add profile credential. So I am a digital marketer. So this is my profile credential. Okay. I am going to give a description about myself. Okay. I teach free online digital marketing course. Okay. So this is my description. So now what I actually do is I will give my website link here. I will give my website link directly here. Okay. So I got a backlink from, now I got a backlink from Quora.com. Okay. Even though this is not my keyword, there is a kind of link I have with Quora. Okay. I got there is a kind of backlink I am getting from Quora. When someone click here, they will redirect to my web page, website. Okay. So this is also a kind of backlink. In the previous backlink I have given a keyword. Okay. But in this backlink I have given a keyword to my website, to my blog. Okay. But here I have given a direct link to my website. Okay. So when they click this link, they will redirect to my website. So this is also a kind of backlink. Now I have got two backlinks. One is from medium.com website, the another one is from Quora.com website. So this is how you have to create a backlink. And this Quora also have a place to submit your article. If you have a content, you can also submit the article here, and then you can also get a backlink from that content also. Okay. Creating the backlinks not only increase your website authority. Okay. The people should read your content. The people should get attention to your content. The Medium website, there are lot of users are reading the content through Medium. Okay. Like Quora also, we know through Quora also many people are getting answers through Quora. Okay. We have to create a good and engaging content so that people may interested to read your content. Okay. So if your content is very viral through this platform, you may get a kind of traffic, a kind of referral traffic to your website. Okay. This also boosts your website ranking. Okay. Now we have created a backlink for our website. Okay. And if you have any doubt, please ask the doubts in my comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you.